Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to select the default printer in Windows. This is actually quite simple. First I go to the search in Windows and enter printer. This already suggests printers and scanners. If I click on this, I get a list of all printers and scanners that I have ever used with this computer. Now I select the printer that I want to set as the new default printer in Windows, and here I click on Manage, and I already get the option to set as default. If I click on this, I have changed the default printer in Windows. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.